So this is just going to be a short little video on how to find your marketing material for every month. So I'm just on Tot or 31 today. So in my Tot, I'm going to go right here to Scoop. We're going to go to marketing material. And we're still on May, so we'll go ahead and click that one. And then if you scroll down here, this is going to tell you what the monthly hostess special and customer special is, just a breakdown of it. And then if you scroll down again, you're going to find your flyers. Now these are flyers that you're going to want to buy in your back office, but you can click on these and save a copy of the picture for your customer group. Now remember, if it has any prices on it, we can't share it on our personal page. And then also, if you wanted to just print one of these out and laminate it or put it in a sleeve, so that way you have one to have on hand for yourself. But again, it is best to get those right from your business supply, a whole pack of them for your parties. So then you can see here, you can also see the hostess flyer for the month. And then you have a picture of our current personalizations. And if you scroll down again, you have some graphics right here that you can use each month. And if you keep scrolling down here, you're going to find videos as well to market into your groups. And then if you want to share this, we're just going to pause that there. You can click it to go straight to YouTube. We're going to pause that again there. And then you can just copy your link straight from there. So then back to our marketing material. That is it. That is all of it. So lots of great resources here. Of course, if you were to go back into marketing material, you can see that there is lots of resources. You got your spring summer marketing material, your June, your summer essential guide. This one is in particular to our Studio 31 line right now. And then of course we can't forget our baby line. So I hope that helps all of you. And this always updates for us.